Hello students. First exercise, second Roman. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. So before up to 3 problems completed. Now fourth one, 5x minus 3y equal to 11 minus 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. Answer. They given two linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 like. Here a1 means 5, b1 minus 3, c1 11, a2 minus 10, b2 6, c2 minus 22. Like that, compare the two linear equations. a1 equal to 5, a2 equal to minus 10, b1 equal to minus 3, b2 equal to 6, c1 equal to 11, c2 equal to minus 22. For that, a1 by a2 equal minus 5 by 10. Here 5 by minus 10. 5 ones, 5 twos. Minus 1 by 2. Next to b1 by b2 equal minus 3 by 6. 3 ones, 3 twos. Minus 1 by 2. And next to c1 by c2 minus 11 by 22. 11 ones, 11 twos, minus 1 by 2. Here observe a1 by a2 equal to minus 1 by 2, b1 by b2 equal to minus 1 by 2, c1 by c2 equal to minus 1 by 2. All are equal. Means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal c1 by c2. This is consistent system. In that consistent system, these conditions graphically represent two coincide lines. See that? Here first equation 5x minus 3y equal to 11. Take x and y. Here x equal to 0. Then in this equation put x equal to 0, we get y value. 5 into 0, 0. 0 minus 3y equal to 11. Minus 3y equal to 11. Y equal to minus 11 by 3. Y equal to minus 11 by 3. Next y equal to 0. In this equation replacing y by 0. 5x equal to 11. X equal to 11 by 5. Means in this equation put x equal to 0. We get y value minus 11 by 3. In this equation put y equal to 0. We get x value 11 by 5. Like that. Here second equation x and y. Take any one. Here x equal to 0, we get y value. Next y equal to 0 take, we get x value. Here in this equation x equal to 0. Means this total 0. 6y equal to minus 22. Y equal to minus 22 by 6. Minus 22 by 6. Again here two table cancellation, minus 11 by 3 in this value. Next y equal to 0 in this place. Y equal to 0. Minus 10x equal to minus 22. Both sides negative get cancelled. 10x equal to 22. X equal to 22 by 10. X equal to 22 by 10. Here two table cancellation. 2 11s, 2 5s. 11 by 5. About these values we can draw graph. Graph. Horizontal line is called x-axis. Vertical line is called y-axis. Intersect point is origin. From origin to right all positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From origin to left all negative integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. From origin to above all positive integers, below all negative integers 1, 2, 3, 4. Below minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. From this first equation we get x equal to 0, y equal to minus 11 by 3. Minus 11 by 3. Change it will decimals minus 3.6. Means x equal to 0, y equal to minus 3.6. Means here minus 3.6. This is 0, minus 11 by 3. Next one. Minus 11 by 5, 0. Minus 11 by 5 means it will change it to decimals. Minus 2.2. Minus 2.2. Here 2.2 on x-axis. Next, this is draw one straight line. This is first linear equation, and again second one, second table, x equal to 0, y equal to minus 11 by 3. Minus 11 by 3, change it will decimals, minus 3.6. Minus 11 by 3 means minus 3.6. X equal to 0 means y equal to minus 3.6. Means as it is, here only point. And next one, minus 11 by 5, 0. Minus 11 by 5 means minus 2.2. Here minus 2.2 means according to condition having same lines, coincide lines. Having condition a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal c1 by c2. According to the two lines are coincide lines. Here write first one, 5x minus 3y equal to 11, and the second linear equation minus 10x plus 6y equal to 22. That is two lines having coincide lines. And the scale on x-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. On y-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. This is graph of that consistent system, coincide lines. Next question, 4 by 3x plus 2y equal to 8, 2x plus 3y equal to 12. So in this equation, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, like here by is there, send that side, take LCM of these fractions. LCM is 3, 3 to 6, 3 8s, 24. Like here 4 by 3 into 3, 3 get cancelled. It will change it to 4x plus 6y equal to 3 8s, 24. This is first linear equation. This is second linear equation. Means a1x plus b1 equal to c1, a2x plus b2 equal to c2. Like a1 equal to 4, b1 equal to 6, y coefficient, c1 equal to 24, a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to 3, here y coefficient 3, and constant c2 equal to 12. For that, compare a1 by a2 equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2. Next, b1 by b2 equal to 6 by 3 equal to 2. 2 means 2 by 1, nothing but 2 by 1. Next, c1 by c2 will get 24 by 12 equal to 2. All are having same number. Means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. According to this condition, this is consistent system. In graphically represent coincide lines. For that, draw that graph 4x plus 6y equal to 24, and the second equation 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Here x and y values, x equal to 0 take, will get y value. Means in this equation put x equal to 0, 4 into 0, 0. Plus 6y equal to 24. 6y equal to 24. Y equal to 24 by 6. 6 4s 24. Means y value 4. Next, y equal to 0. In this equation, put y equal to 0. 4x equal to 24. X equal to 24 by 4. 4 6. X value 6. Like that. Second equation, take x and y values. X equal to 0, we'll get y value. Means 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 3y equal to 12, 3y equal to 12, y equal to 12 by 3, 3/4, y equal to 4. Next, now y equal to 0, replacing y by 0. 2x equal to 12, x equal to 12 by 2, 2, 6, y equal to 6. Here x equal to 0, y value 4, y equal to 0, then x equal to 6. Like that here x equal to 0, y equal to 4. Now y equal to 0, we get x value 6. About this, draw the graph. Here horizontal line x axis, vertical line y axis. For that, from origin, this is intersect point origin, from origin to positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left all negative integers -1, -2, -3. From origin to above all positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From origin to below all negative integers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Here. For this first one, in this first equation, x equal to 0, y equal to 4. X 0, 4. 0, 4 means on y axis. Here. Next 6, 0. On x axis 6, 0 means y ordinate 0. This is first linear equation. Draw the straight line. Join these 2 points. This is first linear equation. Means 4x plus 6y equal to 24. And next second linear equation, 2x plus 3y equal to 12. For that x and y values 0, 4. 0, 4 means on y axis, here only 0, 4. Next 6, 0 on x axis, here only point. Why? Because in problem we are doing that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, means it will form coincident lines. It form a coincide lines. Means this line name is, here only another line, here right. What is that line? 2x plus 3y equal to 12. These two coincide lines. According to condition, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. About that coincident lines, for that scale right here, scale on x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, on y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit.